jump drunk as shit.
In a sea of people, and that's just how I leave it. Yeah, I met somebody in a sea of people, and that's just what I believe in. Yeah, we laughed and like a Wednesday night. We ran across the interstate and drank a bottle of vinegar, and then we stayed up really late. Break it down in that hot, hot desert. This is where I wanna be. Break it down in that hot.
dude. It's 70, remember?
70.
I was like ready for the next one. So I was going to say 1.5 dozen. I totally have that next.
Yeah.
You gotta
I
jump
guess
in.
I set him up there, didn't I?
Alright, back one this time.
trying to do too. Something
Backflip? Wow, careful.
No.
What was it? Hold on, what was it?
W.
W.
Oh. W.
W. W.
Alright, I'm back one.
You should probably not
Watch
try
it.
now.
That was a good one. Is it W?
W, poopy, poopy.
That's a good jump this time.
No. I'm totally confused here. Like, I need to have a list I can write this shit down so I know which one it is. No idea.
That's cheating.
You guys got the advantage. I'm drunk as shit. It's not even cool.
How did you get so drunk? What happened?
You didn't eat breakfast.
Oh, yeah.
That's the problem.
You should have had veggie burger.
Jump into water.
Yo, it's another jump.